5 years ago, we had a flood here and it took out my furnace. I called a few companies to come and give me an estimate to fix my furnace, and the quotes were just too high, so I went 5 years without a furnace. My client told me to call Standard because they did a great job for her, so I did. And I couldn't be happier. They saved me a ton of money on my furnace, and I am now living comfortably in my home.
At Standard, we believe that you deserve to be comfortable, and that comfort should be affordable. If you've gotten a quote from another company, please call us. With incredible financing available, we can install new, high-efficiency heating for as little as just $47.50 a month. And we have access to programs that can pay for half or even all of the cost. And if you're not sure about your old system, we'll come check it out at no charge. Upgrade your heating for as little as $47.50 a month, or less if you qualify. Call Standard. We promise to save you money.
Nobody stepped up to the plate like Standard did for me. Nobody.